Understanding, Tune the Temperature, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, tune the temperature. If you've ever wondered what this means and how you can use it in everyday English, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unlock the secrets of this phrase together. Tune the temperature isn't a phrase you'll find in classic literature or daily conversation, but it's a great example of how English speakers play with language to create vivid expressions. To tune means to adjust something to a particular condition or degree. When we talk about tuning an instrument, we're adjusting its pitch. So, when we apply this concept to temperature, the phrase suggests adjusting the temperature to a desired level. This phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, in a literal sense, tune the temperature could refer to adjusting the thermostat in your home or car to make the environment more comfortable. It's all about finding that perfect setting where you feel just right. Metaphorically, tune the temperature can mean to adjust or moderate the intensity of a situation or conversation. For example, if a discussion is getting too heated, someone might try to tune the temperature by calming things down or changing the subject to something less controversial. Let's put tune the temperature into some sentences to see how it works in context. Literal usage, it's a bit chilly in here. Could you tune the temperature up a bit? Metaphorical usage. The debate was getting out of hand, so she tried to tune the temperature by introducing a lighter topic. These examples show how versatile the English language can be, allowing speakers to creatively express complex ideas with just a few words. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, tune the temperature. Whether you're adjusting the actual temperature in a room or trying to cool down a fiery conversation, this phrase is a fun addition to your English vocabulary. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling a bit more confident about using English in new and exciting ways. Remember, learning a language is all about discovery and practice, so don't be afraid to try out new phrases and expressions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.